Welcome back to DunnZWorld. I'm Dunn. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So I'm sure you could tell by the thumbnail to this video, as well as the title, what this video is about. But if you didn't see it and if you didn't read it, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know. So we will be styling some Yeezy boots today, y'all. All right. I have the desert boots, the Rock. All right. I already did a shoe review on a pair of desert boots probably some months back, in which I do have the oil pair. No need to do a review on these because it's literally the same thing, same size, same boot, just a different color. So I'm gonna go ahead and present to you all some outfits, some ideas on how to style these boots. All right, but you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So for the first outfit, I do have this tan t-shirt with little 4-block graphics on the front. And then I have a pair of those utility pocket pants from Zara. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together with the Yeezy boots. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some accessories. Let's get into it. So I went ahead and threw on 2 gold bracelets, 2 rings, 1 gold ring, 1 silver ring. And then on this hand, I have on a beaded bracelet along with a charm bracelet, so something slight. And I have on my signature necklace, which is what I normally would wear, but this is the full fit, y'all. And then I also have on a crossbody bag with this. So this is the full fit. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a 360 so y'all can see. But as I stated, the top is from Boohoo Man, the bottom is from Zara, and of course I do have on those Yeezy boots. So outfit number 1, we're gonna go ahead and get into outfit number 2. So right here I have a zip-up shirt, okay, a zip-up shirt from Culture Kings, but this is a lighter shirt. I hope I'm saying it right. And then I have a pair of denim shorts that I actually just got from Prestigious Garments. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on so y'all can see what this looks like. So with this fit, I did the accessories a little different. I do have that barbed wire necklace on along with the barbed wire bracelet, same rings. I do have on a blue crossbody bag that I actually got from Boohoo Man. So this right here just tops off the whole fit, y'all. And this is outfit number 2. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a quick 360. All right, so as far as this outfit goes specifically, I would put this in the same category, of course, as urban wear, streetwear. And as you know, these type of shorts are in. I mean, people are going crazy over the Jorts shorts, so these are in. And like I've always said, when it comes to wearing boots with shorts, it is a must, okay? It is a must, and it is completely okay to do, because I know people be tripping out about that, like, oh my God, how dare you wear shorts with boots? Listen, it is okay, y'all. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, just move right on along. All right. But this is outfit number 2. We're gonna get off into outfit number 3. So for outfit number 3, I do have this shirt that I just picked up from the mailbox today from Minimal. This is a fuzzy sweatshirt. I can tell you right now, based off the texture, it seems pretty darn hot. So this will probably be something that I would throw on when it gets a little bit chillier. Not per se right now, because this is still kind of hot. If you live in Texas, then you understand. Because at one point I thought the temperature was about to drop for sure. And then I went outside and I'm like, nah, it's still hot. And this has been like the past few days, it's been hot. It's almost like a thick air type of hot. I'm just like, what is this? But anywho, I will be pairing it with the shorts that I got from Zara. So let's get into it. So I still have on those same rings, y'all. I don't have on any bracelets just because it's pointless. You're not going to see my wrist. This shirt basically goes down to my hand. I mean, it's pointless to have on any bracelets. I do have on that same signature necklace that I normally wear. And this is the full fit, y'all. I went on ahead and threw on this green and cream crossbody bag. Same kind of combo as the previous outfit, shorts and boots. Gotta love it. I love it. If you don't, get into it. I actually thought that these shorts were going to be a little bit baggier as far as being actual jorts, but these are just regular long shorts. Like I said, I got the shorts from Zara. These are 34. This shirt is from Minimal. What the hell? This shirt is from Minimal, and the shirt is a medium, I believe. Medium. And yeah, and this is the fit, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick 360. So this is definitely a daytime outfit. I would wear this during the day, rather I'm going out for brunch, lunch, whatever type of event that happens throughout the day or in the daytime. This is what I wear. Definitely wear this in the daytime. This shirt is very fuzzy. This is a sweater, so wouldn't be wearing this in the summertime. Definitely a fall fit, okay? But it depends on where you are as far as what type of fall you have, because some people have fall and it's literally just straight winter weather. You understand what I'm saying? Like, some people don't even really experience fall. It just goes from summer to winter. Now, if you live in Texas, this works because we actually have a fall where the temperature is in like the 60s and the 70s, and which this would be a perfect outfit to wear during that time frame. But with that being said, we're gonna get off to outfit number 4. Let's do it. So what I have here is outfit number 4, y'all. So I have another pair of those utility pocket cargo pants from Zara. I'm telling y'all, I have them in so many colors, y'all just don't understand. But anywho, I do have a white t-shirt here, which is a crop white t-shirt that I got from Boohoo Man. And then I top this outfit off with the YEEZY Gap hoodie, which is a size medium, and which is given more so of the crop look that I was looking for, because as I said in my previous videos, there is a brand that sells cropped hoodies. Still haven't found it yet. I wish I would have saved it to my Instagram like I save any and every damn thing else, but I'm still looking, y'all. I'm gonna find that brand, and when I find it, I'm gonna order the hoodies, and then I'm gonna do a review so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But anywho, so since this hoodie is and fits a bit smaller than what I usually wear in hoodies, it's gonna already give that crop look, and the hoodie is already cropped, but it's giving that look that I'm looking for. So let's get into it. So I still have on those same rings. This is my go-to when it comes to rings, y'all. I do have on my signature necklace, y'all, and I do have on the necklace that I usually wear with all my fits. Went on ahead and threw on this crossbody bag with this just to top it off and give it that finishing touch. This is the full fit, y'all. So Zara pants, these are a 34. The hoodie is a medium, the shirt is a medium, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick 360. So this is a very cool, calm outfit, y'all. Definitely would step outside with this during the daytime, even at nighttime, just depends on the vibe. I would wear this outfit to maybe a friend's house, maybe like a game night type of deal. This is a chill outfit, y'all. Nonetheless, this is a fit that you would throw on. Literally, you would throw this on real quick, real fast. When I leave my house, I like to look presentable, even if I'm just wearing some around the house clothes, in which I really do that more so than ever, is wear like some around the house type clothes, clothes that I would probably wear to the gym. So with that being said, this is the last fit. Like I told y'all, we're gonna get into the rest of the video, so y'all sit tight. All right, y'all, so those were all the outfits. I am so glad that y'all tuned in to see me put all that together. I'm so glad that y'all tuned in to watch me style those fits. So y'all go ahead and drop it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know which one's y'all favorite outfit. Let me know if you would style it differently. Let me know if you seen something you was like, I don't know, I kind of don't like that. Let me know if you don't like it. Seriously. Let me know what more you would like to see of as far as fashion content goes. Let me know if there's some more reviews that you guys would like. Let me know if there's certain fits you want to see more of. Let me know if there's certain shoes you want to see me style more of. Just put all that in the comments, all right? I feel like y'all don't be dropping enough in the comments. Y'all really don't. I need y'all to put that in the comments. Let me know how you feel, all right? Because at the end of the day, I'm creating content for you. And if it's not meeting your needs, or you feel like it needs to improve, or you feel like it's something else you would like to see more of, then let me know. I'm not a mind reader. If you don't tell me, how am I supposed to know? So let me know what you want so I can get to you. Just let me know, all right? But with that being said, y'all know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
Hey, one time like, two time like, hey, me pop up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay. Old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any food pack of top papers, about to put Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga, lacking where I live. I might